Welcome to Glastonbury. Hello, my name is Matthew Chidgey. I'm the manager of the Recycling Centre at Glastonbury Festival for 2023. My job here is to take care of the welfare mainly of the volunteers that are in the Recycling Centre and ultimately recycle as much of the waste that's generated on site as we possibly can. It's an amazing thing to be part of. I've done it for a number of years now and enjoy doing it every time. There's always progression with the system each year to make it better, slicker, more efficient, but mainly a nicer environment for the volunteers because ultimately it's all about them. They come here willingly every year to really make a difference, and they do a job that a lot of people aren't even aware of, but the sense of achievement that they'll go away from here with is absolutely amazing. So that's why we do it really, we do it for the love. So the conveyor belts that we use here at Glastonbury are an integral part of the system that we operate. Before, we've traditionally done it on just tabletops. Now, obviously, with our waste streams moving in front of the volunteers, it's obviously going to speed up that process. With regards to the equipment, we've always found the fitters and everybody involved to be very helpful. And, you know, each year that we use the company, we refine what we're doing a bit more so that it makes more sense each time we do it. And all those small refinements overall create a bigger, more efficient environment. So yeah, it's great company to work with.